This tutorial will show you how to hem chiffon beautifully, but more importantly, so easily. Hemming a fabric like chiffon sounds a lot harder than it is. It doesn't have to be hard. Forget about those novelty feet that curl it around for you. This way is so much easier. I've allowed 1.5 centimetres for my hem. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pin up this by 1 centimetre. I'm going to pin all the way along. And now I'm going to sew down this edge. I'm going to go as close to the edge as I can get without obviously coming off the side. And now I'm going to trim off this 1 centimetre that I've already sewn up. Once I've trimmed it off, you're still going to have a raw edge, which is obviously not how you'd like to finish a beautiful dress made out of chiffon. So I will show you what to do next. And now you just need to turn this over again and stitch it again. So it's a rolled hem, but with 2 rows of stitching. The 2 rows of stitching don't make it any heavier, but it is so easy to get a really, really nice edge. And after a quick iron, we have a really lovely, neat finish on a chiffon hem. Both sides look just as neat as each other.